Hello everyone, today in this video I will try to explain how we can do Western blot analysis with using ImageG program. Firstly, we open the image by dragging to the program or by selecting File, Open option. Then we should select Type, click on Image, Type and select 8-bit to start analysis. To remove background of the Western blot, we do some adjustments with brightness and contrast option. Select Image, Adjust and Brightness and Contrast. Or with another way, right click on Image, select List Commands and right here. This is the second way to open it. Then we do some adjustments like this. After finishing it, press the apply button. If the image is good, you can select reset. After that, select rectangle option and select bands which will be analyzed. Here, actin protein is the control group. Then click on Analyze, Gels and select first lane. Press Yes button because our image is horizontal. If you want, you can rotate the image. For this, right click on Image, again List Commands and right here Rotate. Select this one by double clicking and right here angle value, for example 19. Now this part is rotated. Go back to analysis. Because of the previous setting, I should do same thing again. Analyze, just select first lane. Then again select Analyze, just and plot lanes. Then we get the plot of Western. To get area values, we should draw lines between peaks. Select the straight option and draw lines between peaks. Then select one tool and click on Peaks. We get area value. Do same thing for other. And we get all area values. Then click on Analyze, Just and label Peaks. And we get percentage values for each peak. Also you can see that here we use only percentage values for analysis. You can copy them, for example, to notebook. I delete area values and I write here actin. Then give numbers for each value 1 to 6. Then we do same analysis for protein of interest. You can drag the rectangle to the protein of interest. And then we do same things. Analyze, just select first lane. Again analyze just plot lanes. We get plot of western. Draw lines between peaks. Use one tool to get area values. Then we get area values of protein of interest. Then again click on analyze just and label picks. So we get the percentage values. Copy them to notebook. Firstly, I write here protein of interest. Delete area and write percentage values is sufficient for compare traded groups and control groups. Here, these are traded groups and these are control groups. Again, traded groups and control groups. We continue analysis in the Excel file. I copy them to the Excel file. I separate control groups and traded groups. Now let's assume we compare all protein samples with the sample 6 and we calculate ratio between these samples. Sample 1 over sample 6. Do that for protein of interest. Sample 1 over sample 6. After that, we need to calculate ratio between protein of interest and actin protein. It's ratio 1. Let's write ratio 1 and ratio 2. Sample 1 of protein of interest over sample 1 of actin protein. We should change the format of this from here. You should control the calculations to get more accurate results. Then we calculate average of control groups. Write function here. Select them. In the next step, again we calculate ratio between traded groups and average of control groups. Traded groups over average. So we get production numbers. Also, we can apply student t-test to determine whether there is a significant difference between two groups. First of all, we write here 3, 1, and let's write here function t-test. Firstly, select production numbers, then select ones, and finally write here type of test 2, 2. And we get p-value. P-value shows treated groups are significant. And finally, we finish the analysis. Today in this video, I try to explain Western blot analysis using ImageRight program. You can get accurate results by paying attention during image settings and calculations. Thank you for your listening. See you in other videos.